How to find the Weverse digital code. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about finding your digital code on Weverse application. So first of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Weverse application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the home page, you're logged in and everything is going correctly, go to the More section from the bottom of the screen. Now, from this page, you will see various options, where there are various options of My Collection, Order History, Event Entries, Purchased Media, Recently Watched and Downloaded Videos. Now, from this section, you're supposed to click on Purchased Media, that is below My Collection option. Now, you will see two different sections of Paid Content and Digital Code. Swipe left to the digital code section and your code will be displayed there. If you don't see anything, it means that you don't have any digital codes associated with your account, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again in the next one.